Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, we are here. We're at the flea market, and I'm selling, but we need to make a quick intro for this video. And this is part 3 in the dusty cobweb and sitting for 34 years. I paid $1,500. There's been a few other previous videos. You can check them out. If not, we'll continue forth. I'll show a little clip so you can remember what it looks like. Maybe don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, and say something pretty like, I love. $25-1. $25-1.
Ooh, I don't know if it got it. It did, it barely got it. Barely got it.
Yeah. Something did jump out. Old bottles. What are those worth? Nothing.
Possibly a mink.
That looks scary. We'll have to look into these bottles later. A lot of dishes. Definitely hope Jack shows up next Thursday. A crab net? You want to go crabbing? You did? Who'd you catch those from? What?
One of my gropers was put up. And then across the road.
It's looking like these old vintage cowboy lamps have a little bit of value to them. Not a tremendous amount, but I don't really think I'm going to be shipping Florentine Art Studio lamps, but still good to know. Oh, I need these to blow my nose.
That's the snubbers, yeah.
Too bad that wasn't real. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah.
It's a cap gun.
Cool though.
Yeah. And what? Trying to get through these boxes here.
I could put the sand right there.
You got a safe place for this? Ooh. Is that a gun? Nope, it's the same thing. These lamps.
Those cowboys are cool.
They're kind of weird garbage.
Huh?
What weird garbage here.
They're cool. These ones aren't lamps, are they? These are yard lamps.
It's almost like somebody tossed this unit 20 years ago. Pencil sharpener. What are these little... Not a Hummer. That is neat. I don't know what it is.
What money?
Where?
Huh?
No. It's all just... This is kind of a nice set here. 2 Grandma with Love. What is this? Thor's hammer?
Yeah.
Okay. Italy, CVA. And come on, be a Randall. Original buffalo skin. That looks like something of value.
Job like just throwing it to the side.
Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to be doing, is filming so you can look.
The right stuff.
What are you trying to get to?
This base right
Oh, I haven't even filmed that yet. I see how it is. You want to go for the thing I haven't filmed yet?
Well, you're working all the way to the back before the way I do. You're a long ways, I ain't coming back. I'm just saying. Whoa.
Let's go to tier boxes. We got a lot of.
Why you didn't tell me it was like that? You just
I told you they're all loose. I got that on film too. You guys see that? I had told them that all of them are loose. Here, I want you to have this. Didn't you want a nurse?
No. I mean, I didn't know one to take care of me.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Not. Although these ones,
What?
although these
Well, all that can go in my good tote over there, and then you can load it, I guess. Because you can't just like little boxes. A lot of personal paperwork.
You what?
Income tax, return checks, income tax. What the fuck is that? Iron. All this shit, just junk. That's the flip side to a unit that's been sitting a long time. And either gonna have a bunch of good stuff or a bunch of stuff they should have learned to let go of. This one's about to go.
Okay, we'll just drop it in soap. You might go over.
No. It's like a kid's toy box. And not a very good one. Eddie's Kitchen. Numbers. Doll stuff. Mingo. That's kind of cool. You don't see him like this anymore.
Lantern.
Yeah, that's a good one though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Put it in the wardrobe, right?
I think I built the wardrobe.
Oh, wow.
Just going
Look.
no big deal.
Punch bowl.
Dream catcher.
Somebody really ransacked this, huh?
Huh?
You can kind of tell it's been ransacked pretty hard. Like 7 years ago, somebody came in here and just ransacked this, or 20 years ago. To what?
Wedding ring or anything?
No, come on, Uncle Mike.
What's up with that? Stuff going out for your stuff?
What's that?
You got two totes out of the one you're. They get your lot too, the cars?
Yeah, this is a good tote and that's a good tote.
Okay.
The rest is not. The jewelry I want to put in a good spot to go home.
Cool plant, you gotta get something. The lamps are cool.
Where? Not really. It's a ballet box. I thought that was cool. They got little chips on them and stuff that automatically depreciates them.
Easy fixes on something like this though.
Watch out for that glass on the ground.
Huh?
That glass on the ground.
Why don't we just walk over and I'll pick it up? Think you come in here to do it for me? He's not here.
Oh, that's kind of cool right there. Strawberry shortcake. Right? Is that strawberry shortcake? Yes.
You went through the album, Mike?
Believe it or not, that is a few bucks right there. You don't know?
I do.
What do you know about strawberry freaking shortcake?
I used to run in it. Trust me. Strawberry shortcake's good. Especially vintage.
I think Jason had this on his recently.
it on the ground, put it on the truck.
Give us this day our daily bread. Let's see, do we have something in here? Do we have some type of beautiful trinkets? No, not there. Great. One silver ring with the heart. The best friend piece. And what is in here? Can it be something? Oh yeah, gold filled. Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, pirates, that's the end of this video. We may have at least one, maybe two more unboxings in this, and then we'll be on to the next thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I love you. Don't forget to like button, share button, subscribe, and say something pretty.